Hello everyone, I am Nancy Valiente, your real estate expert in Puerto Vallarta and Banderas Bay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about why now is an excellent time to invest in Puerto Vallarta even amidst the global economic uncertainty we are currently facing. Over the last few years, we have seen fluctuations in the financial markets, but the real estate market in Puerto Vallarta has remained remarkably resilient. Why? Because real estate investments have always been one of the best ways to build medium and long-term wealth. If you are wondering whether this is the right time to invest, stay with me, because in this video, I am going to explain why now is a great time to turn that idea into reality. Puerto Vallarta is not like other cities where every day is the same. Here, we have three distinct seasons that directly affect the real estate market and buyers' behavior. First, we have the high season, which starts in November with Thanksgiving and ends with Easter. During these months, US and Canadian tourists fill the city, looking to escape the cold and enjoy the sun and the beach. Then, in July and August, when kids are on vacation, we receive Mexican families and US citizens with Mexican ancestry who return to their roots for the summer holidays. And finally, in September, it's the low season due to the rains, but honeymooners take advantage of the lower rates to visit during Christmas, New Year, and long weekends. The city fills up again. These seasons create a constant demand that boosts the profitability of properties. We know that global economic uncertainty can create doubts. However, real estate investments have always been one of the best ways to build medium and long-term wealth. Financial markets can be volatile, but oceanfront properties like those we have in Puerto Vallarta and Banderas Bay have proven to be resilient even during crises. A clear example of this is in 2008 financial crisis, where properties in beach destinations like this were the first to recover in relation to others, and this is a trend that is still valid today. In terms of growth, Puerto Vallarta has experienced an average annual 7% increase in property demand. This growth is backed by a key infrastructure projects and a market that remains attractive to international investors. What makes Puerto Vallarta even more attractive is its growing infrastructure development. Under the leadership of AMLO and Claudia Sheinbaum, Mexico is prioritizing infrastructure development nationwide. Key projects include the new highway connecting Guadalajara to Puerto Vallarta, reducing travel time and improving connectivity. The expansion and renovation of the international airport in Puerto Vallarta, which will improve the capacity to receive international tourists and investors. Parque Vidanta, a theme park within the largest resort in Latin America, almost like Disneyland, that will attract even more tourists and investors to the region. Additionally, the remodeling of the Pix Airport directly impacts real estate development in the northern part of Banderas Bay. Luxury hotel brands and celebrities are turning their attention to this area, including Punta Mita, ensuring that this destination is not only tourist-focused, but also a key place for luxury tourism. Real estate prices vary depending on characteristics of the property, location, and area. The prices are steadily increasing through the years, and the average prices that you can find, for example, in oceanfront properties are from the $500,000 up to $5 million, and for example, more accessible areas like Cinco de Diciembre or Versalles, you can find properties between the $200,000 up to the $600,000. What's really interesting at the moment are the emerging areas. Areas like Valle Dorado, Pitillal, Aralias, Lázaro Cárdenas, Mezcales, Aramara, and El Caloso are in full development and growth. These areas aren't just emerging because of infrastructure, but because of their strategic location, making them attractive to investors. While they are more affordable at the moment, these areas are well positioned for strong long-term growth thanks to their proximity to popular destinations and the growing demand for properties. If we compare them to premium areas like Zona Romántica, Conchas Chinas, and Marina Vallarta, these emerging areas still offer much more accessible prices, but with the great potential for appreciation. Now, let's talk about what many investors fear in the financial markets, the famous dip. Everyone talks about how they are going to buy the dip in the stock market to make more money. And when that happens, what do? They panic, pull back, and prefer to put their money in commodities like oil or gold. Here is the analogy. If we look at it from the real estate market perspective, that buying the dip moment is here, and it's now. We are in a buyer's market. That means there is inventory available to choose from, and from many emerging areas you can negotiate prices, which represents a great opportunity for investors. This is the ideal moment to invest before the market adjusts and prices go up like they do in the financial markets. It's like having that golden opportunity, but in real estate. I hope you enjoyed a little overview about how is the market in Puerto Vallarta and Banderas Bay. And if you find this video useful, I hope you can share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave me a comment. What do you think about the Puerto Vallarta's market? And see you in the next video.